Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Chanel with Color.Mi.Stylish. In my videos, I love doing lifestyle, home decor, makeup tutorials, and just kind of sharing some of the favorite things that I love to do with you guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and helping this channel to grow. I so appreciate you. And in this video, I kind of wanted to do an eyelash extension review. So I picked up something and I want to share with you guys and test it out for the first time with you. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the item that I'm going to be trying out, this is from Kiss and it is their Falscara. So it's kind of a play, I do believe, on like the lashify system. And so on my last girls trip, probably almost 2 weeks ago, I can't believe it. If you guys missed that, I'll kind of link that up on top, sorry. But I just kind of did a girls trip to Hawaii and it was so nice. But one of my girlfriends who was on the trip, she had lashes on and we were kind of like, wait a minute, they look amazing. And she tried the lashify system. And so when I got back, I was like, I definitely want to try that. I am not the best at putting on the strip lashes. And I didn't want to have to go and pay for, lash extensions because I'm too touchy with my face. But I did come across this in Target and I wanted to kind of just test it out and see if I would get the same results as Lashify or just in general a nice eyelash extension look. So I'm going to be going ahead and trying this, and I'll just do a voiceover because I know at some point my dog is going to be barking, somebody's going to come through the door, all hell breaks loose all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this, and I'll just kind of show you guys how I start. So to start, I just kind of wanted to kind of give you guys a look at the package a little bit close up. So it says it lasts up to 10 days. I didn't try it for that long, but it was about 2 days before I was kind of like, okay. Just again, because I touched my face a little bit too much, but it just kind of comes with everything in the package, which is great. So you don't have to like buy anything separately, but you can, if you do need to replenish, you can buy them separately. So like the instructions were pretty straightforward, just kind of showing you everything that you need and just kind of giving you all the steps, and it was easy to follow, so that was great.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a
So just kind of pulling out everything from the packaging. It came with short, medium, 2 mediums, and a long, so you can kind of do like more of a gradual effect to the eye, or you can just use all along depending on how dramatic you want it to be. Okay, so I just went ahead and took everything apart and I just applied some light makeup to my face just so that I didn't look all crazy this morning, but nothing to my eyelashes. So as you can see, my eyelashes are just pretty short, nothing too major, so I don't have anything around them, no eyeliner, just kind of washed my face to start this morning. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of go ahead and start. So it does show that I have, like the short sections, and then also like there's long and there's medium. Because I am not an everyday lash wearer, I'm just going to go ahead and try to keep this as natural as possible. And so with that, I'm just going to use the shorter ones towards the corner and then the mediums towards like the end, just so that I can achieve something just a little bit more comfortable to start with. And then if I kind of do well with this and get more comfortable with them, then I'll kind of, progress and do something a little bit more dramatic. So I'm excited to start this because my daughter, she's almost 15. And so she has been doing this forever, not with this set, but she just kind of does it on her own. She's always applied lashes to underneath her lash line just to kind of give it more of a natural appearance. And she would just kind of take strip lashes and cut them up and then just, you know, attach them that way. She's really good at it. She's amazing with makeup. So I am not so. I just, for some reason, I can do everything else, or I'm comfortable with everything else. Lashes have just never been like my favorite thing, or something that I feel like I have to complete my look. So if you're like that, let me know down in the comments if you're a lash wearer, or if you're just kind of like, no, give me makeup tutorials that don't need to include lashes all the time. If that's you, I'm your girl. But I'll still throw them in just for dramatics and for fun because they are cute. They're girly, why not? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this before I talk myself through this whole video and not do anything. All right, so just kind of going with the instructions on the back. So basically the first step is the bonding time. So that would be this one right here where it says bond on this side. So I'm just going to kind of open that up and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So it's a tiny little wand, which I like. And what I'm going to do is use my mirror in my little Morphe palette. So I'm going to use that and just kind of go underneath. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to kind of bond it a little bit underway, and then I need to wisp the lashes, which is, this is the seal. Okay, so let me go ahead and start this before I screw something up. So I'm starting with the bond. So this just kind of gets underneath the lash, and it's the glue just to kind of hold it there. So, and I really like it because it's super small and precise, just to kind of get the glue exactly where you want it. And you can go back and kind of clean up some spots. As you can see, I got them on my eyelid, but it was really easy to kind of take off with a Q-tip and some eye makeup remover. And so just kind of going in, I wanted to start just with the inner corner. So this is this short one, and so just kind of putting that underneath. Oop, yep, it's a little bit of a struggle. I'm trying, y'all. So yeah, just kind of getting it in there. But once it kind of sticks, it just kind of, you know, sticks right on there, which is perfect. So just, yeah, trying it out so you guys can kind of see, but just kind of picking up the next one and just kind of placing it, you know, where you want it to be as close as possible. And then of course, just trying to use the tool to push it so that it kind of sticks. And so just kind of going in with the tool that it came with, just to kind of press in the, you know, the lashes to the natural lash line, just so you get more of a seamless look. But yes, it is a little bit more like tacky because it, you know, the glue does come through. So as you can see, I started to struggle just a little bit, but once you can kind of just clamp those down and get it in there so that it lays right, it's much better. So yeah, that little spot towards the end, I was like, oops, you know, I had to kind of pull that one out and start over. So kind of once I got that all in, I was able just to kind of add just a little bit more, just so that I can get that corner a little bit reset. And that's the nice thing about this product, is you can kind of just tailor it or just kind of get in there, you know, when you need to. So as you can see, I made that mistake before where I kind of like went down a little too fast, and I wanted to kind of like just reattach the end, and it gave me a little bit of trouble, but once I got it on there, I was all set. So once you have the lashes on and I finally got that corner end where I wanted it, you're just going to go back in with the seal, and this is just going to kind of help the lashes to kind of just stick to your natural lashes and just kind of, help it to last for the whole day. And it also kind of takes away like the stickiness, because as you can see before, when I went to go and clamp the lashes down, the tool was kind of just like sticking a little bit, and this kind of takes that away. So, and then also giving it time to just dry in between, adding more lashes, just so that you can kind of, get in there and just kind of clamp it down together. But I was really loving just how natural it looked. And for me, because I am not a huge lash wearer, it makes a huge difference. Just to kind of be able to wear something light every day, and it was really comfortable, and just not having that like top lash line, which I really liked. So yeah, this was definitely going really well. Okay, so just to kind of pack you guys up a little bit so you can get out of my nostrils. Sorry about that, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a really good view of what was going on. And so I just went in with the seal and just kind of brushed it underneath, is kind of like what the directions told me to do. So it says lock it in with the seal, dab on a thin coat to seal under the wisp, to ultimately, or eliminate, any sticky residue and holds the wisp or the lashes in place. And so it does give like an optional, when using the overnighter as an extended wear, apply additional thin line of the wisp slightly away from the bands. So yeah, you can reapply 2 to 3 additional coats of maximized strength as needed. So I do believe that is just what they're referring to, the bond. If you just want to add a little bit more to your lashes, just to kind of really give it a holder, just a tighter hold, I guess, and then the seal just to kind of go over that as well. And I'm assuming you can just kind of let it dry a little bit and then go back with a little more or another additional coat of the seal. But I have to say, this underneath my eye lash line is so comfortable. I am not bothered by this at all. And even when I wear strip lashes, like, I guess I just never cut them long enough or short enough or just whatever, but I just always feel it. It's just always uncomfortable, and that's why it's never been my favorite. But I have to say, I love how natural this looks. It's really comfortable. It's not bunching on either corner. And so basically what I did is I used 3 of each. So I used 3 of the short and 3 of the medium. And just, yeah, it was really nice. As you saw before, I was having a little bit of trouble sticking it to the corners, just because my lashes end really short, towards like the end of my eye. So it was like a struggle to kind of get it to stick a little bit more farther over, but I just kind of layered or doubled it up towards the end, and put 2 of the wisp basically on top of each other. And with this, you can definitely just, I love the fact that you can kind of double these up. So if you do want your lashes to be super dramatic and dark, you can kind of go for that look. And I'm just assuming now too, with this system or this right here, you can basically take any thin stripped lashes of your choice and just kind of cut them up if you want to, and then just insert them that way, or just leave them all together. So I'm very impressed. I really like it. I mean, I only did one eye, but so far so good. So I'm gonna do the other, and yeah, I'll wear them throughout the day, or until they fall off. And knowing me, I'll sneeze, I'll do something else. Well, not sneeze, but I'll probably just go to sleep and rub up in my pillow. I roll everywhere. Or just, I might just forget and like rub my eye or something. So we'll see, but I really like just how natural this looks and how comfortable. And again, for somebody who's not a lash wearer, this is huge. This is really comfortable. So I definitely recommend this for just having one eye done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and I'll show you guys the finished look.
Have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. a Sunday, the morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for hotter days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we?
Okay, so I went ahead and did this side, and I feel like I like this side a little bit better than that side. And I guess that's always like the whole trial and error of when you're doing things. You're kind of like a little wonky, you're not sure, and then you get to the next side and you're all like bam, bam, bam. So I feel like I just did this side in like 2 seconds. So yeah, but I think because I knew exactly where to place them a little bit better, just to kind of get the look I wanted without going too close to the ends. But yeah, I can't even. This is why people wear lashes. These are so comfortable. I'm super excited. So yeah, I went in back with the bond or the seal towards the end, after putting them on just underneath, and then I'll probably just let that dry and yeah, go over it again with one more coat. Yeah, so definitely my review of the Kiss Falscara. I'm super happy. I picked this up. I think I picked this one up when I was in Ulta. Where did I get this from? No, I got this from Target. I did get this one from Target, but I think I have Ulta in my brain because I do need to go in there today and pick up some things. We are just getting ready for our international move. It's in the next 2 weeks, and yeah, I'm just trying to stock up on all the things that I need. I just feel like when I go to different countries, it's just hard to find colors that match me and things like that. So I'm in like nesting, moving mode right now. So I'll do an upcoming vlog on just like the packing day and just getting ready and just the things that I'm trying to like stock up on, and kind of just show you guys how I get ready every time that we do go overseas. So, but I thank you so much for joining me this week. Again, my final review. I absolutely love these. I can't wait to show my daughter. She's gonna think I'm so cool. But yeah, these are great. I'm super excited to try these out, and I'll definitely be buying this again and using them. And I just like the fact that just, doing my skin just with some light foundation and powder, doing my brows, some lip gloss, and then I'm just with these lashes, I'm good. So I'm actually about to head out and go do some things. I've got like a laundry list of things to do today, but yeah, super excited that I have these on, and I think I'll be doing this all day, just, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. But let me know your thoughts, and if you guys are going to be interested in trying this out, I will leave all the links in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for joining me this week, and I will see you in my next video.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late.